Okay, I've cleaned the switches, contact cleaner, and cleaned all the pots and things. I've replaced the capacitors. These capacitors were all leaky. They had capacitance still, but they are leaky. At rating voltage, they were drawing current all the time, and they're obviously going to fail sooner or later. It's quite nice to see that they're sort of like this, just a sliding capacitor. You put those back in if you wanted to make it look authentic, I suppose, but I'm not going to bother with that. It's all working. There's the 10.7 megahertz output. The pots, as you can see, are nice and clean. Everything seems to be working fine. I will try later at a later stage to run the demodulator into it and set the sweep generator up. But as I say, this is only going to be used as a marker generator. And I'll check once I've got the cases back on. I'll check to see how accurate it is. A quick look underneath. The person who obviously built it, I think it is a kit unit. The soldering on all the pots and things is really very good, very high quality. You know, up to sort of commercial quality that you'd expect. The soldering on the PCBs, most of it's pretty good. Obviously, it's still got the flux on it where they haven't cleaned the flux off. That's no big deal really. There's a couple of joints that did sort of touch up that looked like they were a bit dry, and one of them hadn't flown properly. That plate was all loose. Looks like the person was a bit scared of breaking the screws, so I've just tightened them up. You can see here there's a classic sign, I don't know if you can see with a magnifying glass, but there's a joint here that's not very well soldered. We can reflow that before we put the base back on. And all the screws, actually, funny enough, on the side panel were loose. The main structure's fine, but the front panel bezel screws are all loose. But, so it seems to be working fine. So we'll box it back up, and I'll connect it up to the HP as a marker generator, and we'll have a go from there. See how we get on. I'll also try and use it as a proper sweep generator. I need to get a manual first because I'm a bit confused of how it's supposed to work. But thanks for watching, and more to come.